Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I have got a Glossier swatch and review for you guys of the new Ultralip lipstick line that they just launched like literally yesterday. They launched it yesterday. I put in my order. I paid for express shipping so that I could do this video for y'all. It has been so stinking long since I have filmed a Glossier review because they just have not put very much stuff out. But when they launched these lip products, you guys know I jumped on that because lip products are some of my favorite makeup products, and I love the Generation G lipsticks, so I'm really excited for the Ultralip. It's supposed to be a more like balmy, dewy looking lip product, and you guys know I ordered all 9 shades. So my box literally just got dropped off from FedEx maybe 10 minutes ago. I ran downstairs, put a shirt on, and I was like, I got to film this video for you guys. So I am super excited. This is a first impressions. If you guys are new to my channel, I have pretty much reviewed every single Glossier product under the sun. I also am a Glossier affiliate, so if you want 10% off of your order, be sure to use my link down below in the description box. I am currently filming today's video up in Michigan at my in-laws house, so if you hear any weird noises, I'm sitting outside so that I can film this video, but I thought outside in the beautiful Michigan weather in the natural light would be the perfect place to do these swatches. Obviously, I'm gonna swatch all the shades for you guys. You can see it on my skin tone, and then we're gonna try a few on. So I'm so excited. Okay, so Glossier box, you know it's a good day when you see this tape. This is what it came in. Like I said, I ordered all 9 shades, and I also paid for express shipping because I was just way too excited to wait. So inside the box, we've got the iconic Glossier pink pouch. You can obviously order the Glossier products with less packaging, so you can get it without the pink pouch, but I wanted to show you guys the pouch in case you've never ordered from Glossier and you wanted to see what comes in the box. So you get the pink pouch. You also get the Glossier sticker, which I have been loving their stickers lately. So cute. Also, you guys, let's just take a moment for my nails. I love my little daisy nails. Anyway, back to the main event here, the Glossier Ultralip. These are a lipstick that have more of a shine finish to them. If you guys are familiar with the Generation G lipstick, you guys know that those are super mattifying sheer lipsticks. These should have a little bit of hydration to them, which I'm personally excited for because I would always layer my Generation G over my Bomb.com because I just always needed some sort of just hydration on my lips. So these are all the 9 shades. Let's just go through them, shall we? All right, so we are going to go through each shade and swatch. I actually looked at a lot of these names on the website, and I immediately thought to myself, Chloe, you were gonna butcher all of those when you do your review, so please bear with me. One of my greatest flaws is not being able to pronounce anything, which does not work out very well with what I do. So this is the first shade. This is the shade Portrait. The Ultralips are, I think, $18. So that is that the same price as the Generation Gs? I gotta fact check. Yes, okay, Generation Gs are $18, Ultralips are $18. Here we go, first impressions. Packaging, I believe, is the same. I honestly haven't ordered a Generation G in a while to remember if this is any different, but pretty similar kind of cardboard packaging inside of here. We've got a pink casing. Y'all, this looks like the exact same casing as their Lash Lick mascara. How beautiful is this though? It's a pink casing instead of the Generation G, which is a white casing. And like I said, this is the shade Portrait. So it looks like it's gonna be this super bright pink. Look at that. There is nothing better than a fresh lip product. There is just nothing better, and it has the G in the center. I don't think the Generation G has the G in the center. I think it just is the Ultralip that has this G, unless they change that. But kind of similar casing, it's just pink, so love the pink. We are going to swatch. I gotta figure out where I want to swatch these. We'll do this arm here. So this is the shade Portrait, and as you can see, it's still that sheer formula, but it is balmy. Ooh, I'm gonna love these. I was really hoping that they would be kind of similar to the Rouge Volupté Shine lipsticks from YSL Beauty or the Dior kind of like balmy lipsticks. I love a balmy lipstick because my lips are always so dry, so when they launched these I was like buying all of them. The next shade that we have is the shade Fete, F-E-T-E. Hope that's correct. This is, again, casing. Looks like it's gonna be this red shade. Very, very red. But again, because it's balmy, I think it's gonna be a little bit of a sheer, a buildable kind of color. So it's kind of similar to the Portrait shade. So this is Portrait, this is Fete, and this one is a little bit of a deeper red, whereas this has a tiny bit more of a kind of pink undertone. This is more of a true red, but honestly, kind of similar. I think I'm more drawn to Portrait just because it is a little bit more of that kind of peachy pink undertone, but let's keep going. All right, next shade we have got Villa. My arm is gonna be covered after 9 shades. Can I claim this as my favorite already or is it too soon? Villa is this beautiful taupe. Oh my gosh, guys. This is me in a lipstick right here. I might be calling this too soon, but this might be my favorite shade, Villa. Ooh, as you guys can see, Villa is this beautiful nude shade. I mean, just the perfect nude. Not too mauve, not too brown. This is a winner for sure for me. If you love neutrals, you are going to love this. They are all so creamy, like they are just glossy. The next shade is Cachette, C-A-C-H-E-T. I'm really sorry if this is wrong. Ooh, beautiful brown. Looks a little bit deeper than the Generation G Leo, so look at that. But because it's sheer, I feel like this is honestly gonna pair over your natural lip color beautifully. So let's swatch this one. Ooh, really pretty. Honestly, does remind me of Leo, but with a little bit of a less warm undertone. It's a pretty cool undertone shade. The next shade is Vesper, and Vesper is this fuchsia pink. So really bright pop of pink with a little bit of like a purpley undertone. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be this beautiful like kind of berry color. Love. So this is the shade Vesper. Ooh, yep. That is honestly so similar to the Berry Bomb.com, and I can't remember what shade is in Generation G, but it really just has that berry shade to it. Really pretty though. Very like bright. Great summer shade. Next shade is Ember, which I would think is maybe a red or an orange. No, Ember is this super deep purple. Interesting. Is it purple or is it brown? I honestly cannot tell in the tube, but I feel like this is gonna be really pretty. All right, so swatching Ember here. It honestly is kind of like this shade, but it has a little bit more of a like red undertone, little bit of kind of like a brick color to it. So really pretty. Honestly, really different than this one, even though it's kind of that same deep color. Okay, I am probably gonna run out of arm space here because I have 3 more shades and I feel like I only have room for like 2 more colors. This is the next shade, Lucite, L-U-C-I-T-E. Is that how you would say that? This next shade here, ooh, it's baby pink. It's almost the exact same color as the tube. So it's almost like a little Glossier pink shade. This is beautiful. If you have really fair skin, you're gonna love this. I can already tell. It's this really pretty light pink, but it's not an in-your-face pink. It's a really subtle, like almost natural lip color. So this is the shade, and hopefully it will even just show up. So this one is honestly just kind of like a balm. Like if you're just looking for a lip balm in a tube or in a casing rather than a Bomb.com tube, this might be the move because it's super sheer. All right guys, it started to rain, so we're gonna hurry this little review up. This is the shade Coupe. This one is a bright orange red. Super bright. This is shade Coupe. Very corally. You barely had to swipe that. That has great color payoff. Really pretty, but it is bold, that's for sure. And I think this is the last shade. This is the shade Trench. It is raining harder and harder, and I'm at the edge of the deck, so how exciting, exhilarating. It's gonna make me not talk too long. Okay guys, this might be my favorite. Look at this trench, this beautiful brown color. Honestly reminds me of the OG Generation G Leo. The OG Leo. This is honestly really close to that shade. Last shade, trench. Wow, that is honestly really close to the OG Leo. If you've been a Glossier fan since the beginning, you know what I'm talking about before they reformulated Leo. That is really close. This one and these two are obviously my favorite because I love neutrals. This one though, I really, really love. All right, so real quick, while my arm is literally covered in all these shades, I'm going to throw on, I think I wanna do this kind of like mauve-y shade. So what was that? Which one were you? I think that was, it was either Ember or Cachette, and I think it was actually Ember. Let's throw on Ember because it's this beautiful, almost brown, but with a little bit more of a purpley kind of undertone. Yeah, it was this shade. So this is the shade Ember. Wow, the color payout is, honestly, these actually do remind me a lot of the Volupte Shine lipsticks or those Dior lipsticks. That is beautiful. So this is the shade Ember. So pretty. Let's do a little bit of a brighter shade just because we're kind of in spring, summer, but I love the formula of these. Super, super hydrating. Honestly, they're like the perfect amount of color payoff and sheerness to where you can still see a little bit of your lip color coming through, but really pretty. I'm gonna throw on a more kind of summer shade. I think I'm gonna go with my favorite that I called right in the beginning, which was, I think it was Villa. Yeah, we're gonna do Villa next because I think y'all are gonna all love Villa. So Villa right here. I still have a little bit of that other shade on. As you can see, it kind of stains the lip a little bit. So you have a little bit of remaining color, which is really nice, but this is Villa. Super hydrating. Honestly, just looks like an enhanced natural lip color, which I think is really nice, really natural. I love the hydration, the comfort of these. They are not sticky, which is awesome. Really, really love these. I love these so much. Oh my gosh, I think I might love these more than the Generation G lipsticks. Hot take. I'm just saying, these might be my new favorites. Okay, let's do something a little bit brighter here. I'm not gonna do all 9 shades, but I think I wanna do maybe like this first pink shade that we opened up here, which was Portrait. Portrait was the first shade. I think this is gonna be a really pretty spring shade, this bright color right here, but I love that you can put on like a single swipe and get that really, really sheer color that just enhances your natural lip, or you can just keep building it up. But I love that it really is like, it's almost like a tinted lip balm, I would say. It's like the perfect mix between the Balm.com and the Generation G lipsticks. Like, that's like how I would describe it. It is truly hydrating, still sheer like the Generation G, but it has that moisture and that shine that I would get from layering a Balm.com under Generation G. I'm obsessed. I would say Portrait is a gorgeous color. It's like one notch above your natural lip color. So if you want something that actually is a little bit noticeable, Portrait is beautiful. I absolutely adore Villa. I think Villa is the most natural lip color that they offer. If you have a skin tone like mine, then I would say that Embers are really pretty deep color. I think that actually would be beautiful for fall. Obviously you can get it now. I mean, I got it now. And then Trench. Trench is literally the OG Leo from Generation G, except it's even better because it has some hydration. So I'm obsessed with these. Like, I knew these were gonna be good. I knew it. That's why I bought every single one of them. I was like, take my money, Glossier, because I just know that if I love the Generation G, I'm gonna love these, and it is just a home run for me. Portrait, guys, don't sleep on this shade, that's for sure. I love, love, love the shade. Trench is beautiful. You guys saw, they're all really great. Those are my thoughts on all 9 shades Like I said, be sure to use my discount code down below to get 10% off of your order. Let me know down in the comments if you found this review helpful, and if you end up ordering any, what shade you order. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Check out the rest of my Glossier reviews that will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye, y'all.